Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can check time and date of a message in Messenger. So I'm gonna teach you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Messenger app, and then just log in with your account. Once you do that, you're gonna be in this particular platform. So just choose the conversation that you want to have the time and date of. So I'm gonna choose this one, and so I be needing this particular text time and date. I want to check this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do anything, but I'm just gonna tap on it, and then you can see over here Saturday at 1:56 p.m. So that's how you do it. That's how you see. You can check this one also, and you can go to another text as well like this. Just go over here and you'll be having all the details like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.